Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a full face testing out new and old drugstore makeup. I mainly wanted to test out the new foundation from Makeup Revolution. Where did it go? This one right here, the IRL Filter Longwear Foundation. So this is the one that we're going to be testing out. It's one I have on my face, as well as a new product from ColourPop. I have some new lashes to share with you guys, and then we also have some new palettes to test out from JCat Beauty. So I don't have a lot of drugstore makeup, which is why I also wanted to incorporate old drugstore makeup that I haven't shown much love to. But that is it. Before we jump into today's video, I just quickly want to thank Dossier for sponsoring today's video. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I love Dossier, and if you don't know who they are a super amazing, awesome perfume brand. They have so many new scents, you guys. I cannot keep up with them. They actually just sent me a bunch of new shades that I was able to select, and I have two that are my absolute favorite. Honestly, all of them are really yummy. Like, they smell so delicious. The one that stood out to me is Floral Rhubarb. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Literally just got them in the mail. This is the one that I'm wearing all over today, and it is inspired by Marc Jacobs. It's this one right here. It smells so good. So if you are wanting a perfume but you just don't want to pay the luxury price, Dossier is the brand for you, because they are inspired by luxury perfumes but at an affordable price. Their ingredients are clean and they are a vegan brand. They start off at like $39, and they have a few other perfumes that are a little bit more expensive, but the one that I had been eyeing for a long time is this one. Is inspired by the Mason Francis, I'm not sure how you pronounce his last name, but it's the Baccarat Rouge 540. I've seen this all over Instagram, and it's a very expensive perfume, and I have way too many. I just couldn't bring myself to buy it. So when I saw the Dossier had a affordable version for it, it's the Ambery Saffron. Yeah, when I tell you guys, if you order one perfume from Dossier, just one, please order this one. It is the best perfume that I own at the moment, and I own a lot, okay? Bury me in this scent. It smells so delicious. So please check out Dossier. Get yourself a perfume. Father's Day is coming up. They also have for men, they have unisex, they have candles, and of course they have for us women. Spoil yourself, spoil your husband, because for the price you cannot go wrong. You can use my discount code, which is right here, and shop my link to save even more money on these affordable prices. So thank you to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. And with that said, grab your cafecito and let's go ahead and start with today's video. We're going to start off with the primer. This is the brand new e.l.f. Sea Bright Putty Primer. So this contains 2% vitamin C infused, and this is supposed to help brighten up your skin while also gripping onto makeup. So this is supposed to be a skincare and primer in one. I don't know that I really see that, but we're going to try it. So now we're going to jump on to the foundation. So this is the brand new Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Longwear Foundation, which is this one right here. Honestly, I haven't tried anything from Makeup Revolution as far as like foundations or concealers in a few years. Nothing that has really caught my attention. This one says, drop the filter, introducing the Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Longwear Foundation. It is a filter in a bottle, housed in a luxe glass bottle with built-in pump, which I do agree it is a glass bottle, which is nice, and it has a pump, which most of the foundations nowadays do have a pump. This foundation offers precision and great control. It is your in real life filter. What more could you want? It's a medium to full buildable coverage. It has a soft, breathable matte formula, which was what really caught my attention, because hello, I am oily, so anything matte I really like. It's supposed to be oil-free, shine-free, crease-proof, life-proof, and smudge-proof. Provides a 16-hour wear, cruelty, and vegan. And the key ingredient in this is niacinamide, which is a great skincare product to add into like your daily routine. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this is all about. I got the shade F10, mixed a little bit of the yellow and the orange pigment prominent just to make it a little closer to my skin tone, and the orange was definitely a little stronger, so that one worked the best. I think also the foundation is just a little too light since I am super tan at the moment, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend it in with my favorite foundation brush, which is the Anise Beauty Pinnacle Foundation. This is really nice so far. It's blending out super seamlessly. Wow, that looks so pretty. Coverage is beautiful. Really, really like the finish. I don't think this is exactly like super matte, but I would like to try this foundation again with a more mattifying primer. I don't have any new concealers. At least I haven't seen any new concealers at the drugstore. So I'm just going to use this one by Catrice. And I am going to go and cover up these dark circles, and I'm going to bring it to the side of the nose, a little bit on here, here, here. I feel like it's going to be really hard for my foundations to match me because of my tan. And do you guys see this? I literally burnt myself from curling my hair over the weekend. It was so nasty. It looks so dry. And definitely need to make up for the color. So I'm going to bronze the skin a lot. See, like this color is nice. I love this shade. This is also by Makeup Revolution. It's a concealer, but I actually just use it as a bronzer. I'm gonna blend this out first so I don't get any patchiness. I am going to set the foundation though, because I definitely feel like it's just like a little too luminous for my my personal taste as far as like the finish. It's not as matte as I hoped it would be, but I still really like the total outcome of how it looks on the skin. So I'm just going to set it with my Fit Me powder, and then for underneath the eyes, I'm going to use this one by CoverGirl in the shade Banana. This is like an OG favorite of mine. I'm going to let that bake for a few minutes, and I'm going to use the newest bronzing powder that I personally have, which is the one from ColourPop in the shade Summerland Beach. I did just do a video on this on Thursday. In case you guys missed that, I will have a link up here where you guys can watch that. But pretty much this bronzer is it. It is so pretty. It is so pigmented, and the shade is perfection. I love how silky and like pigmented it is. L'Oreal also came out with new bronzers in case you guys are interested in buying like an actual drugstore bronzer, and it's actually really nice. And for blush, I'm going to use this one by Koki, the soft gradient blush in the shade Tender. These have been my absolute go-to. I took this specific shade with me and one other one on vacation because I knew I was going to use these, and boy was I right. These are so pretty, y'all. I am going to bring this up into like the under eye. I like to tap off the X's like right here, even though I end up applying a lot of blush anyways. But you know, it makes me feel a little bit better if I tap off the X's. Look at how pretty this color is, like a true coral. And for highlight, I'm going to apply a little bit of this one from Catrice in the shade Beyond Golden Glow. I know that I didn't really have a lot of face products to test out with you guys. But like I said, since I've been gone, I really haven't been keeping an eye on like new makeup drops or anything. So if there's any specific products you guys really want me to test out, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will do some shopping. Other than that, also let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me, because makeup tutorials get boring all the time. They get super boring. So what do you guys like to watch besides makeup tutorials? Like, what else do you search for on YouTube? And it can be anything. It doesn't have to be like makeup related. Do you guys watch like cleaning videos? I don't know. Just let me know what you guys like to see. Okay, we're gonna move on to the eyes, which is always my favorite part of the look. Today I have two new palettes by Cat Beauty, which I am an affiliate with them. So if you guys want to support me, want to support the channel, use my affiliate code. If you don't want to use it, no pasa nada. So these are the palettes that they sent over a while ago. This is the Surreal Skyline, which is this beauty right here. Ugh. I really want to do like a yellow look. Ah! And then they sent over the Picturesque Crush, which is this beauty right here. How do you choose? Look at that pink. Look at that purple. Look at this. Look at these greens. I really want to use the teals in here. I'm excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I also have some new lashes that I'm going to be wearing. I bought these from Amazon from the brand Barbie, something like that. How pretty are those? These are in the style Shine. These are in the style Stars. How pretty. And then this one se llama Dream. Those are so cute. All right, let's start with the eye look. I did a quick little swatch on these because I wanted to see which one was the darkest. So we're actually going to start with this palette right here, which one is the Surreal Skyline palette. And I'm going to take the shade Wolf of Wall Street, which is, I think it was this one right here. It's like a really deep blue. And I'm going to take that into the crease. I've already primed my lids with, you've guessed it, NYX Ultimate Shadow and Liner Primer. Now let's blend that shade. I'm going to use the shade Surfing in the USA, which is this one. And I am going to use that to blend this shade out. Oh my gosh, look at what just happened to me. I was grabbing some of my Cat All About That Base Glitter Shadow Primer and it was like stuck. So I squeezed it so hard. Ay, Dios mío. What am I going to do with this? Literally, now I have to throw this away. I mean, it's going to dry up anyway, so even if I didn't want to throw it away. Big ol' goop. No, that makes me so sad. Alright, ni modo, I'm going to have to buy a new one. Anyway, so I'm going to take a little bit of that glitter glue and I'm going to tap it into the center. This turned out to be a little smoky, didn't it? But that's okay. And then I am going to go into this shade. Let's see. Ooh. Let's go in with Mansions and Estates and then Magical Marine Layer on the top. So I'm going to go in with Mansions and Estates. Ooh, that is such a pretty emerald green. Shut the front door. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous, you guys. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. Now for my lashes, I think I want to go with the style Shine just because they are a little bit spiky and I feel like these are really going to show the colors in the shadow or just the shadow in general. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my lashes and then we're gonna pop those on and then that'll be the end of today's video. All right, so I changed my mind with the lashes. I ended up with Dream, which are still really pretty. They're like fluffy and thick, full, but they're short. They're not super, super long. The other ones were just a little too natural for the look. And then I also added a blue, baby blue eyeliner to the waterline. So now we're going to finish off the look. You guys, I totally forgot that I had a highlight from ColourPop that I also ordered that I wanted to try out. This one right here is the Super Shock Cheek in Flip Flops. This one is also new, and I'm going to apply a little bit because I just really wanted to use it. It looks so pretty and super like bright. Oh yeah. I'm going to use one of my favorite lip liners from NYX, which is Downtown Beauty, to line them. I'm going to see how this lipstick looks, but this is NYX Cairo. It's a really light color. I realized that this formula from NYX and their soft matte lip creams is pretty crappy. But I do like the colors that they offer. I'm going to use La Jolla, which is ColourPop's newest shade from their Soul Glassy lip gloss. And I'm going to apply that to the center. Last but not least, we're going to set the skin using the Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Longwear Setting Spray from Revolution or Makeup Revolution. And here is the final look. This is a full face testing new and old drugstore makeup. I am so blown away by the J-Cat palettes. The quality is really good. Like, for the price, you just cannot go wrong. I feel like this look turned out super beautiful. Is there anything that caught your eye? Also, this highlight, beautiful. I ended up throwing it into the inner corner just because I felt like I needed a little something. But that is it, you guys. I am hungry. Me and my mom are gonna make some enchiladas suizas. I'm so ready. I can already smell the chicken boiling. So I am gonna get out of here. Thank you so much for being here. I love you, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.